Hey friends, today we learn something super useful Java, but don't worry, I will explain in very simple words and like a math formula. So you understand it clearly. Ready? Let's go. What is Java 8? So Java 8 is just like a new version of your favorite app. It came out in 2014. So Java 8 is a major release of the Java programming language released in March 2014. Now let's try to define Java definition as a mathematical way. So Java 7 features plus functional programming plus new feature. It introduced a new paradigm programming, functional programming to Java. It brought several major enhancements to the Java language compiler, libraries, and runtime. Now let's go to the next slide. So key features of Java 8, right? So let's go through the main Java 8 features one by one using simple math and real life comparison. So let's go through the Lambda expression. So Lambda expression is an anonymous function. There is no name, no modifier, no return type. Previously, what it did, simply we written the method. For example, if you want to add two numbers, what you will do, you will simply create one method, public void the method name, for example, add, you will pass two parameter integer a comma integer b, then simply you will print system.out.println a plus b. Then you will get the addition of two numbers result, right? Yes. So now after came Java 8 with the help of Lambda expression, it's simple line of code, just single line a comma b, then Lambda expression a plus b, then you will get the output. Okay. So imagine, so writing a sentence in just three lines, okay, instead of 10 lines. That's the lambda. Okay, now let's come to the functional interface. So functional interface, if lambda is the shortcut, okay, then functional interface is the road it needs. So that means functional interface has only one abstract method. If interface has only one abstract method, then this is called functional interface. Also, you can use annotation at the functional interface before the interface, before the interface name. Okay, so now let's come to the stream API. Stream API, it's like, process the data like a water stream, step by step without storing it. So for example, so in Java, so we have a first data, then we have to convert the stream, then we'll do some filter operation, then we'll do some like math operation, then we'll collect the result. Okay, I will discuss, okay, more and more upcoming next videos. Okay, about stream and some like real life programming example. I will told everything. I will tell everything. Okay. Now let's come to the optional class. So optional, think it's a safety box. It's help avoid null pointer exception. Okay. So you have a box, right? In this box there is value or not. How can you check? With the help of optional, you can check optional.op. You'll pass the value. That's it. Then you'll get. If you want to get the value, then you can also get. Okay. There is lots of function in optional class. With the help of those functions, we can check. Okay, so for example, it's a like good function name is if present. This is the method with the help of this if present, so you can check the box has value or not. If value is there in box, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Now let's come to the default and static methods in interface. So default methods, I think you know that. So we have functional interface, right? Functional interface can contain default method, and within default method, you can define this interface. Okay, you can define the default methods. Okay. So now interface can have like real code inside them, not just rules. Okay, this is called default methods. That means the interface will be contain the abstract plus default plus static method. Also, you can declare as a static method within the interface. Okay, so I will give you some example for default method. How can you write default, then void, then method name, then we'll just, let's say you want to printing something system.out.println, you'll print something. Okay, now let's come to the new date and time API. So previously, it's like very boring before the Java 8. So after came the Java 8. Okay, so simply if you want to print an right current time, so simply local date dot now, you will get the current time. Not current time. I think for now you will get that date, today date. Now let's come to the Nashorn JavaScript engine. Okay, so simply you just imagine you are imagine just you are talking two languages in the same program. Okay, after came the Nashorn. So basically, with the help of Nashorn, you just communicating two languages. One is Java, another is JavaScript. How is get right? Now let's come to the method reference. So method reference and constructor reference, right? Method reference is like a simple, okay. So you can say events shorter than lambda, you can refer to a method directly. So how can you define? So object, any object name, double colon operator, then simply use method name. Okay. So previously printing system.out.println, right? So after Java 8 for okay, the method reference concept came. Simply we will do system.out double colon println. Okay, so method reference, basically this is the three types of reference. So we have one is constructor method reference, another is instance method reference, and number three is static method reference. So I will discuss everything okay, upcoming videos. So as of now, I just gave you some like overview of all Java 8 features. So how can you recap? Okay, simply Java 8 equal to easier code plus more power plus safer programs, right? So that's Java 8 explained like a simple math story. If you like it, do like and subscribe and comment which features you like the most. Thank you so much.